Today we're learning rooms in the house. Come inside with me. Living room! Kitchen! Bedroom! Bathroom! Bathroom! Dining room! Dining room! Study room! Laundry room! Hallway! Garden! Living room, kitchen and bedroom, bathroom, dining and study room, laundry, hallway and garden. We love every room in our home! Great job! Today we learned rooms in the house. What is your favorite room? See you next time! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join SmartKidVerse.
Thanks for watching! Subscribe to SmartKidVerse for more fun adventures.